Hi friends again. In this tutorial I want to show you how to make soldering. Okay. For this tutorial I choose my uh, solder machine. It's a Weller. I offer you to use this nice machine. First of all, we will solder or areas, as you see that, where we will connect our LED lights or cables. For the first time, this bottom part, the white area, what you see, this is plastic styrofoam. So I don't want it to be burned. So I'm using this wooden place. Okay. Now let's start. First of all, we are touching our machine, and when it fires, we are taking our solder and finishing, and then burning again, and the areas where we want to make our soldering, we are applying. Before that, we have to be careful, because when it becomes black, then your soldering will become succeed. Okay, I'm taking it and putting it again. Now to put this, we also need, because we are using RGB LED, and there is 4 cable we will need. Okay, taking it and then taking it off. Taking the solder, as you see that, and then putting it when it's firing. Yes, it's working on that. And now we are cutting the longest pieces, because I don't want it to be too long. So any kind of cutter is enough. We are using network cables. Now it's our RGB LED. For example, this area I want to solder. There is 4 pieces coming. I was preparing again. I offer you to use air conditioning, because it's toxic. And now we are starting. For the positive one, I'm using white cable for the soldering. We have to be careful, because we are working on the small area. The blue one, the other one is blue one, I don't want that, because the next one is red. I'm using this pink. Just I'm pressing, as you see that, and then wait till it burns, and then connecting again. Yes, it connected. We will check it again. For the red one, I'm using pink and white cable. touching it, and then you have to be sure that it's not touching together. Okay. For the last time, I'm using my black. Solder is finished in there, so I need to go put some more solder. Yes. Be careful for your finger. Yes, it's okay now. I'm checking my controls. Yes, to right. Okay. Thanks for watching my Welcome movies. See you next time in my tutorials. We will do the same thing for all our LEDs for connection, and then applying it to our waterfall for lighting. At the end, we will use this remote control for the whole operation. There's 24 LED, RGB LED. This small adapter is enough. There is 1.5 ampere inside. Just this is enough, nearly $2 or $3. You can find it in any electronic stores. So thanks for watching. See you next time in my movies. Bye for now.